Good morning, children. How are you? Yeah, I hope you are very fine and uh, you had your breakfast and you are learning a lot of things from your home itself, right? And you are spending the most precious time with your parents and with your siblings. Let us come to our topic, the fourth class children. It's a English worksheet, worksheet 2 of lesson number 2. Let us see. Okay, yesterday we have completed the worksheet 1. Okay, children, so we are going to complete today worksheet 2. Okay, word wise. It's on page number 8. Okay, children, open the page number 8 and start doing along with me. Underline a bit, underline those synonyms of the words in capitals. So these are the capital letters. These are the capital words which they have written in the capital letters. Okay, these are the words which they have written in the capital letters. Okay, first one is care. What do you mean by care? Okay, what is the synonym of care? Kind, correct, or concern? That is concern. Okay. Precious, popular, valuable, pretty. That is valuable. Shut, closed, soft, shiver. That is shut means closed. Shut the door. Yes. Next one. Famous, liked, well known, good. Yeah, famous means well known person. Okay. Afraid, scared, quiet, allowed. That answer is scared. Comprehend, like, read, understand. Means understand. So whenever you are reading the any passage, what you are doing, you are understanding this passage. You are comprehending that passage. Understood, children? Next one. Be it. Fill in the blanks with the words you have circled in exercise A. So these are the words you have circled in the exercise A. A bit. A bit you have circled. What are the words you have circled, children? Concern, valuable, closed, scared, well known, understand. Okay. So you have to fill those words in these blanks. Okay, children. Let us see the words. Let us see the sentences. First one. The music was too loud for me to understand what Gayatri was saying. So the music was so loud that what the Gayatri was saying, it's unable to understand. Okay, that is understand. Okay, next one. I was touched by Mehul's concern for the kitchen. So I was touched. See, somebody is any care and affection or any concern for the others, then we are really very touched. That will be a very emotional moment for them also and for ourselves also, right? So that will be the concern, right? Next one. He did not seem scared of the neighbor's large dog. Okay, so most of you have seen that few of the neighbors has their pet and they can be very large, they can be very what you call as very dangerous, they can be very innocent. Yes, so we can't assume, but if the neighbor's dog is very big, then some few of us can be scared, right? So what they are saying about, he did not seem scared. Yes, scared means frightened or afraid. Yes, even though the dog was very large, but he was not scared. Okay, this book is very valuable to Isha because it contains her grandmother's wonderful recipes. Yes, children, so most of us, we have a very valuable things with us, right? It can be from our parents, from our grandparents. So for Isha, it is important because important as well as valuable, right? Valuable means precious for the Isha, because it consists of what, Nana? It consists of grandmother's recipes. You know, na children, how the cooking is done. Okay, what are the ingredients to be used? That is called as recipes. Okay, next one. When Asif reached the shop, it was closed, it was shut. Yes, So when the asif reached to the shop, it was closed. I think I need not to tell anything in this, because when the asif was reached to the shop, the shop was closed. Okay, next one. Every year, a well-known person is invited to the chief guest at the function. So at the function, who are going to be invited? Those who are famous, those who are popular, and those who are well-known. Yes, so that's the reason we have written here a well-known person. Every year, a well-known person is invited to be the chief guest of this at the function. Okay, next. Complete these sentences in your own words. Okay, children. See, you have to use your own words. It's not necessary what I am saying that you have to write. Okay. Let us see what I have written and what you can write. Okay. See, complete these sentences in your words. One day, comma, we will achieve what we want. Yes, one day the world can end, right? One day you can write anything, right? One day I can be a successful person. One day I can be a millionaire. One day I can be a billionaire. Anything you can write, children. Okay, it's your wish. Okay, there are many stars in the sky. I can write, right? But this is for because it's your imagination. You can write. Okay. Next, when I grow up, I will become a scientist. When I grow up, I'll helpful to the society. When I grow up, I want to become a prime minister. Anything you can write, children. Okay. My sister always disturbs me when I am reading. Okay. So when I am reading, my sister always disturbs me. My sister always disturbs me when I am reading or when I am studying. You can write, my sister always helps me in homework, in doing homework. That also you can write. Okay. It's totally your wish. The sentences must be grammatically correct. We should all protect our environment. We should all plant the trees. We should all save the earth. We should all fight against the bads, like fight against the sins or fight against the which is bad is going on. Okay, we should all have the courage. We should all plant more trees. Yes, we should all exercise every day. Okay, this all you can write to me. Okay, so in the end of the worksheet, you please write your name and write your class and submit me if you have completed this. Okay, children. So this one has completed your worksheet 2. Later we will do the worksheet 3 also. Okay, children. Take care, children. Bye bye.